Hey everyone, Anna Brandt here. I'm so excited that my new client prep and process kit has been added to our online learning center here at bellybabyschool.com. The purpose of this kit is to explain in PDF form as well as audio and video of all of the information that I give to my client. Communication is absolute key from start to finish. And so having all of the information available of what to give them and in the printed form is so viable to your business. Whether you have one client or 500, having all of these things at the disposal of your client's hand is something they will truly value. Just having a nursing list they can toss in their purse and refer back to, or a nice welcome card is just, I can't even tell you how immeasurable it is in your business. Everything from referral programs to thank you cards and information about after their session and when to order their images is all included. All of the information and text is available in the Learning Center, and then you can just customize it as you wish for your own studio. Whether you have one client or 500 clients, making sure that you have the right information to give to them and communicate with them is absolutely vital. Everything from license, reproduction release, to simple things like stickers and tags and business cards, as well as a few of my favorite forms. Making sure that you have a good client experience from start to finish is vital, regardless of the size of your business. I hope to see you in the Learning Center with the new addition of these products, information, and services. I'm Anna Brandt, and I'll see you on the inside.